How to fix Instagram can't like on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram can't like on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do here is turn off your Wi-Fi and then close all the applications in the background, open Instagram and turn it on again. And if that doesn't fix it, now restart your phone and try again, and then go to Play Store, make sure your Instagram is updated. And if that also doesn't fix it, now let's move to the next step. If you have an Android, go to settings, apps, and apps again, type here Instagram, click on it, click for stop and go to storage, clear cache, and go to permissions, give it all of those permissions here, and make sure background data is allowed. And that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.